Hello, people. This is your Abhi, and it's day 34. So, finally, somehow, miraculously, the day ended up pretty advantageous to me, yes. So, for the past 2 days, I haven't been doing that well, right? So, now I made a comeback. Yes. Can't really explain about how it happened, but you know, I'll of course share what I learned today. And yes, that pain I took for these 2 days and not giving up on whatever I was building up all this time, it paid off. Alright? It makes sense to give up when the situation is so tough, right? So it makes sense, but I didn't give up. That's the point I am happy about, I guess. So yeah, looking back from now to 1 month ago, I can say there's a lot of change in me, a lot of positive growth in me, and I learned how to be emotionally stable, I guess. Learned how to deal with situations better as compared to the past me. That's around a month ago. One thing I forgot to notice and tell myself is that time changes you, right? Slowly as time passes by, everything will unfold and you'll gradually change to a better position, something that you're working towards. That will take a lot of time. You have to understand that you should not expect things to happen overnight. You cannot expect things to abruptly bring in huge changes in your life. That's not going to happen. That's not the nature of law in the universe, right? That's not the law how we humans work. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of time for us to go from one position to another, and it's gradual every day. That 0.1%, 1%, whatever, that consistently adds up, right? This consistently adding up is way better than having an spike up and spike down graph of emotional roller coaster here and there and blah blah blah. It's as compared to consistency, you should always opt for being more consistent rather than being more abrupt and random bursts of energy. Yeah, that's something I learned today, and it can tear you down if you try to change things abruptly and aim high. All of a sudden, how? It's not going to happen that easily. Your attitude and everything has to change. This will take a while, and you have to accept that. As far as how much you put your effort into, appreciate yourself. That's one thing I forgot to do, and I learned today. So, basically, don't give up on something so easily because it's not happening for that moment. Everything will take time, and it will lead you to a better graph if you were more consistent rather than picking up random bursts of energy which will eventually dry out. So yes, that's pretty much it I wanted to share today. Anyways, thank you for listening. I will see ya in the next one.